So, how do I, as a father and a husband, start my new week after, a long weekend? We all know that it was Easter weekend, and we tend to slow down, spend some time with the family. We have some fun. We enjoy precious time with the children, with my wife, and we swim and we have fun. But as we know, everything comes to an end, and soon tomorrow we're gonna have to go back to work, and we're gonna lock in. Um, we tend to relax so much that you're not really motivated to start the week again, and you feel that heavy feeling on your shoulders, knowing that going back into the corporate environment, going back into the corporate side of the world, knowing that there's a lot of eyes on you to perform and duties to get done. So I'm interested in hearing what everybody else says, more specifically the dads out there. How do you keep yourself ready for the next day, knowing that the long weekend in this instance is now gone? Um, so what I used to do, or what I'm always doing actually, is I like getting to bed early. So we tend to do the washing and the cleaning of the house on a Sunday, usually when we go back to work. But in this case, it's now today is Monday, so obviously tomorrow is Tuesday. And then, so what I like doing is I have a quick shower early. There's a lot of people that thinks that's very funny, but I like to get into a disciplined routine. So we go shower about 4 o'clock already. Then, and that's we eat also much earlier. We eat about 3 o'clock or so. Then we take a shower. It's me, my wife, the two children. We wash hair, we cut nails, we shave, and we try to be finished with all our tasks that we need to do by, let's say, 3 o'clock, 3:30, and then we go to shower, and then we just relax, watch a bit of TV, watch about a bit of YouTube, and then we try to get to bed at 8:30 at the latest, just to lock in. Nou my seun, papa maak gou 'n video. Kom. Nee, it's fine. Kom net. Ek's nou klaar. So yeah, sorry guys, that's my son. But I'm curious. The reason for this video is how do dads and working moms, obviously, but in my case, it's a dad. How do you transition from a long weekend, making sure that you're ready for the week? So I'm really looking forward to your comments. Yeah, all the best. I'll see you guys in the next one. As a reminder, this is going to be my new place where I take my videos. All the best, guys. Cheers.